before I show you how this automation can be created, let me show you how this automation is going to work. Right now, I have 4 contacts in this Apollo account. So let's say I'm just going to fill in this form as demo user. Let me enter all of my details and fill in this form right over here as demo user. And you're going to see I have successfully filled in this form as demo user. Now let's just open my account and refresh this contact list, and you're going to see yes, now the contacts will turn into 5 and the new contact details will be added right over here. Same name, same company name, and the same email address. Now, do you think that this is a magic? No. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can save form leads to apollo.io automatically. I use Typeform to collect the registrations for the free course which I am offering, and I want that whenever I receive a new registration, instantly a new contact should be created in my apollo.io. So let's see how to build this automation. To create this workflow, you have to open the workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. What does this mean? That you can add up to 100 of form leads to Apollo for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. You can use this amazing discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and let's see how to build this amazing automation. For that, this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Typeform and select Typeform right over here. For the event, we have to choose it as new entry and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Typeform. Now what you have to do is you have to make sure that a Typeform account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then only it is going to ask you for some permissions. So once it is going to ask you for some permissions, just click on this accept, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now you just have to select the form for which you want to create this automation, choose the response format as advanced and click on this save and send test request button. Now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just fill in the same form you selected. Okay, so I'm just going to submit the same form which I selected right now. For the first name, I'm just going to keep it as Jane. For the last name, user. As you can see, for the mobile number, I'm just going to keep it as this right over here. For the email, I'm going to keep it as jane@pabblytudes.com, and for the company name, I'm going to keep it as Pabbly Tudes. Now I want to register for a free course. So over here, I'm just going to opt the course which is public speaking and submit this form. Now we have successfully submitted this form, so let's just open our workflow, and Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. Now let's just add these free course leads to Apollo. For that, we have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to search for Apollo and select it. For the event, we have to select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Apollo and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, just open your Apollo account. From the left hand of the side, go on this admin settings, and then you have to go on this integrations. Once you come on this integrations, from the left hand of the side, go on this API keys. This page is going to open in front of you, so you have to create a key. So go on this create new API key and name your key. I'm just going to name this key as new lead right over here, and then I'm just going to move on further. If you want, you can simply add the description as Typeform to Apollo or something like this according to your own choice. Now you have to choose some permission. So I'm just going to choose this permission, which is API v1 contacts create, and then click on this create API key button. Now this key is created, so I'm just going to copy the key, click on this done, and paste the key right over here in my workflow. Then click on this save, and my Apollo account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, it is asking me for few details. So one by one, I'm just going to enter all of these details. But always a hack that we don't have to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead we have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one I'm just going to map all the data right over here. After I map all this data, you're going to see it is asking me for many another details, but only the details which has stars in front of are the required ones. Rest are upon you. If you want to fill it in, otherwise leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact in our Apollo account. So let's just open our account from the left hand of the side. I'm just going to close this settings tab first and then go on this people. Once I'm just going to come on this people, let's just go on this saved, and you're going to see yes, the details are added right over here. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation which you created right now. As you can see, here's the company name, the email and the name. Okay, so like I showed in the starting of this video, now whenever someone is going to fill in this form, instantly the details will be added in Apollo without any manual effort. And you know what I have to do? I just have to sit back and relax, and all the details will be added right over here in my account. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For the reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. Also, the discount coupon code is attached. First, try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, don't forget to check that out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.